Hello guys, in this quick video I want to show you a new feature released in Laravel 12.25, submitted, contributed by Marcel Posier. He has a video on that on his own Twitter and I will link that in the description below, but I want to show it a bit deeper in action. So you can now use error page of Laravel to quickly copy the error if you want to debug it with AI, for example, in Markdown format. So imagine you create a task and you have some kind of error. In this case, I deliberately made a typo in fillable array of model. But if I, for example, wanted to debug that with AI, I would need to go and copy this and then explain to cursor, for example, in a chat, in tasks create, there's an error, something like that, then maybe provide some context. No, not anymore. Copy as Markdown is the button here, copy, and then what would be pasted? Let's make this window wider and we paste and we have this. So the error itself, then version of PHP Laravel URL full stack trace, then request post task headers, user agent. I'm not sure if everything is needed here, but the logic is this. I will show you that in a minute how it is in the code. Even the database queries are here. Basically everything you have. Not sure if you ever looked at that actually, but the full error page contains a lot of details like request here, and application information and database queries are also here. So from what I've noticed, only the body is missing from Markdown copy. Not sure if it's deliberate by design to not reveal any personal data or sensitive information, but if we just click send to cursor with Claude 4 Sonnet, it should be easier for AI to actually fix the error, fix the issue. And let me see how many seconds it takes to fix. Let me check request. So it's checking the request. Basically, it's doing the thing for fixing. I can see the issue clearly. Yeah, exactly. The error was client instead of client ID in the model. And the fix is actually this. Also, it explains a lot, but now you see this is the fix, and I fixed it, or actually cursor fixed it by me just copy and pasting from the error page. So I didn't have to type in or copy image or make a screenshot or something like that. Of course, this is just one example. Maybe some errors would be harder to fix, but let me show you just in general how it works under the hood. So here's the pull request by Marcel and then collaborated with Taylor Otwell himself. And in the changes, you see in the navigation blade of resources exceptions, navigation blade contains Laravel exception renderer copy button. This is a new component, copy button, which looks like this. So some Alpine.js here, as I understand, and the Markdown is formed with this from Markdown. That $Markdown is in the renderer of exceptions, and the main thing is this. Laravel exceptions renderer show, which is a blade file which contains everything that will be copy-pasted. So exception class, title, message, then versions. So this is the thing that you would paste into cursor. Again, not sure if everything is needed. Perhaps you may delete something manually if you wish to lower the context. But yeah, now you can debug errors with AI with one click of a button and then pasting it to your favorite AI agent. And also one more thing about this channel, not sure if you noticed the post recently. I celebrate 2,000 videos on this channel. So if you click more here, 2,000 videos is here. It took almost 10 years, as you can see. 2016 was when channel started. And ironically, the live on Friday, the unplanned Ask Me Anything live, which I was just testing YouTube Live with for the first time, that one became the 2000th video. I didn't realize it was that important at the time. So only now on weekend, while shooting this video, I realized I reached 2,000 videos. So this video you're watching is 2001st. And I'm still enjoying that, so I hope I will shoot 2,000 more videos. And if you have any topic ideas for that, then shoot in the comments below. That's it for this time, and see you guys in other videos.